Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. I got myself a treat this weekend, this lovely RS3. Of course a company car again. So let's have a look how the car is and how it looks. Maybe you guys know the recipe for this car. The 5-cylinder, 2.5 liters from Audi, with in this case 400 horsepower. This car is Mythos black, with the black optic pack, bigger wheels. The fun part of these wheels is the front tires are 265 wide and the rear is 245, so the front tires are a bit wider than the rear tires. You get more grip, of course. As you see guys, this car is the limousine version, so the sedan. Got the LED LED matrix headlights with some sort of finish flag in the headlight. And when you start it up it says RS3, really cool to see. So really cool spec car. Not the ceramic brakes, but I don't miss them this weekend. And on the rear also the black logos and the black exhaust tips. And guys, look at these wide arches. They're really wide in the front. A lot bigger than the normal A3. So guys, really like the design of the car, especially the limousine version. Really cool car. I like it more than the sportback version, but that's a personal thing. And what I also like are these 3D like LED taillights. Really cool. Look guys, I hope you guys can see it. It says RS3. I think you guys think the same as me. We want to hear the exhaust, so made a little sound clip for you guys. And then the interior, full leather black with red stitching. The Audi virtual cockpit and a lovely Alcantara Stingray with the RS logo. And of course a Quattro badge over here, red starting button, in this case switch to the red ambient lighting. Alcantara on the door sills, really cool car, really nice to see. And I set these sport seats with some little Alcantara on top and the honeycomb stitching in red. They sit really good and give you a really firm ride in the car. Cool part with the virtual cockpit is when you put it in an auto driving mode, it changes the layout. So really cool to see. And also on the steering wheel you got this RS button. To get your RS driving modes, you can preference yourself if you push it. You've got an individual mode and a performance mode. So you also notice that the exhaust flaps are open now and the interior speaker sadly is on. Also really cool, these lighted door shields with RS3 logo in it. So guys, as I can tell, as a really big RS3 fan, had a great weekend, lovely car to drive. So I hope you liked this review. Until next time guys.